This is the Zoom H5 Studio Handy Recorder. I had done a couple of videos where I showed the Zoom H1N and the Zoom H1, and I was using those for my work tapes, to record my work tapes on. I still use those for my work tapes, really, to be honest with you. Those are fine for work tapes. I upgraded to the Zoom H5 Studio Handy Recorder because I'm going to be using this to go do some like good quality live songs in the field. I'm about to start a series called the Live From series, where it's live from different places outdoors. And this bad boy right here is what I'm going to be using to capture those videos, the audio for those videos. So yeah, let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Okay. Comes with a little case there. Let's open that up. Here, let's look and see what's in the. Here comes a Zoom sticker. Ooh, that's going on my guitar case. I got all that will not be read. Okay, now let's see the Zoom itself. Alright, we don't want to grab it by its... Oh man. Got a little scratched up there. I don't know about that. I don't know if I like that. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright. It's not scratched up because it has a little cover on it. Cool. Cool deal. My mistake. There it is. Look at the size of those microphones right there. That is going to be a really good unit for the field, for field recording. You got these dual XLR 1/4 inch inputs here. You can record a guitar and a microphone, vice versa. You can do mic and guitar to record internally, or you can just record externally using these awesome huge microphones here. The Zoom H5 Studio Handy Recorder.